All rise. Department 22 now in session. The Honorable Susan Johnson presiding.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, Way versus AffinityLifestyles.com, Inc., case number A22-856147-B.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Brianna Switzler, bar number 15653, on behalf of the plaintiffs.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Kristen Schwingler, bar number 16318, on behalf of AffinityLifestyles.com, Inc. and the Real Water entities.
Good morning, Your Honor. Marjan Hajimirazai, bar number 114, on behalf of Costco Wholesale Corporation.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joel Ledoux on behalf of the Real Water entities. I'm counsel with Ms. Schwingler.
Mr. Spurlock, would you identify yourself, please?
No, not.
Mr. Spurlock?
I got it, Your Honor. I'm sorry. It's bar number 2565, United Natural Foods West, Your Honor.
Okay, and this is plaintiff's motion for leave to file an amended complaint, which I did agree to hear on an order shortening time. Counsel, what case are you here on?
I'm for plaintiffs, Eric Pepperman for plaintiffs in the real water cases.
Okay. All right, and this is the motion for leave to file an amended complaint, which I did agree to hear on an order shortening time, given the representations that we had a statute of limitation issue. It's your motion. Do you have anything else to add?
No, Your Honor. I'll just add that I just came from Judge Kishner's department on the same real water cases, and she granted our motion for leave to amend in the 4 cases that are in front of her. So the only objecting party is Hanna Instruments in all the cases, and they are objecting on the basis of trying to preclude our additional claims against new Hanna entities. But those Hanna entities have already been added in some of the cases, so it would be our position that it similarly makes sense to add them here.
Okay.
That's the only thing additional to what's in the moving papers.
All right, I'll hear opposition.
This is Kristen Schwingler, Your Honor, for defendants, AffinityLifestyles.com, Inc. and Real Water entities. We do not oppose the motion.
Okay. Is there anybody who opposes the motion? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grant it, counsel, pursuant to NRCP 15A. If you'll compile the order and then go ahead and get that amendment filed within the next 10 days or so. Let me see. This case isn't that old. See, it was filed July 29. We have not had a mandatory Rule 16 conference, though, yet on it, have we?
Your Honor, the real water cases have been coordinated. The lead case is in front of Judge Alf, and Special Master Floyd Hale has been appointed to oversee the discovery. So
I see that.
That's the reason why we haven't had the Rule 16 conferences.
Got it.
In some of the cases, we've submitted case management orders with proposed deadlines to the court. I do not believe we've done that in the case before you yet, but we can submit that at the court's convenience.
Okay, I would go ahead and get that together because I am going to be interested in getting it set to file whenever we can. I assume you're going to be trying all these things separately, or are you going to be consolidating any of them?
There are a lot of them. My office, we represent plaintiffs in the majority of them, but there are some other lawyers for plaintiffs who've filed separate cases. Our first trial is coming up in July in front of Judge Williams. One of the plaintiffs in that case is 73 years old, I believe. So I think a lot of the discovery is going to be applicable in all the cases. So after the first trial, we're going to look at ways to kind of look for efficiencies, ways that we can coordinate it. And obviously, our hope is that we're not trying, 20 different real water cases, every couple months for the next 3 or 4 years. So
Won't that be fun?
yeah. Our hope is that, we'll set the first few for trial and see where we stand at that point and look for a hopeful resolution.
Okay.
But we understand we have to submit the scheduling orders and have the cases ready in case they need to be tried.
Yeah, I would like to see a case management order in this one, so that we can go ahead and start looking at trial dates.
Sure.
Okay. All right. Your motion's granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.